Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the blockchain roadmap, how to become a blockchain developer in 2024, what are the technologies that you need to learn in order to become a blockchain developer, and we are going to see what blockchain is, what type of web technologies or blockchain development technologies you need to learn in order to become a blockchain developer in 2024. So let's talk about what is blockchain. So blockchain is a distributed database. You can consider it as a distributed database, a decentralized ledger that stores transaction records known as blocks in a secure and transparent manner. So basically, when you write something in the blockchain, you write it as a transaction, and once the transaction is written on the blockchain, no one can change it because each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and a transaction data. So once the block is added in the blockchain, it is considered immutable, and that's how blockchain is different from traditional databases because they are centralized and the data in those databases can be changed. Okay, so let's talk about the types of blockchain developers. So basically, there are two type of blockchain developers. One is core blockchain developers that focus on the foundational aspect of blockchain technology, such as designing and implementing the underlying protocols, consensus algorithms, and the smart contract. And there are different languages like C++, Go, or Rust is often used to develop the blockchain platform like Ethereum, Hyperledger, or Corda. And then there are application blockchain developers, in which we are particularly interested in, that specialize in building decentralized application that run on top of blockchain network. So basically, you create a web application or mobile application and connect it to the blockchain network. You write smart contract in Solidity or in chain code in Hyperledger Fabrics, or maybe you can write smart contract in Rust for Solana blockchain, and then you create interfaces and connect it to your application, and these smart contracts run in the blockchain network. So this is basically this aspect of blockchain development we are going to focus a lot in our channel, in our videos. So let's see what type of technologies you need for application blockchain developers. Okay, so the first question we hear a lot from the students is, do we need web development experience for blockchain development? The answer is yes. So basically, you need front end development and back end development. Actually, the front end development plays a crucial role in blockchain application by providing user interface that interact with underlying blockchain technology. So basically, you can create your front end interface using vanilla JavaScript, HTML, CSS, or you can use some complex frameworks like React.js or Next.js. So if you go to my channel, you can actually see all these videos. I have created blockchain applications using vanilla JavaScript, using React, using Next.js. And another thing which I want to emphasize on is you need to know about the wallets. Basically, MetaMask is a famous development browser extension which allows you to connect to the blockchain network, basically Ethereum based blockchains. It can be Energy Web, it can be Ethereum, it can be Ethereum testnet. So basically, it acts as a bridge between the user's browser and the blockchain network. So you need to know how to connect MetaMask to your front end so that you can send transaction to and from the blockchain network. Yeah, so another thing is backend application development for blockchain application is also equally important because it involves building the server side components that interact with the blockchain network and provide necessary functionality in the application. For example, you can use Node.js or Express.js, and you can use libraries like Web3.js or Ether.js to interact with the blockchain network. You can do database integration through the backend development, and you can perform API development where you can expose the API functions to write or update the data on the blockchain network and in the smart contract. Uh, and you can connect it to the front end or other third party applications. And these APIs allow users to interact with the blockchain application without needing to understand the underlying blockchain technology. Another commonly asked question is, which smart contract language should be learned in order to write smart contract? So basically, there are different languages, but Solidity is the most famous one. So I would recommend you should start with Solidity. This is specifically designed for writing smart contract that run on Ethereum virtual machine. So all the blockchain like Ethereum, Solidity is the most famous language, and you can write smart contracts. You can upload on the blockchain network and you can interact with it. Other languages are Viper, or you can write Solana smart contract using Rust, or you can use chain code for Hyperledger smart contract. However, Solidity remains the most popular choice for Ethereum smart contract development due to its maturity and extensive tooling and community support. And also, I will be doing a complete course on Solidity, on how you can use Solidity to write smart contracts for the blockchain network, integrate it with the front end using JavaScript, and integrate it again with the back end using Express or Node.js. Another question mostly asked by the students is which smart contract development framework should be used to write smart contract and test its functionality, write the unit test. So I would say there are three main development frameworks, namely Truffle, Hardhat, and Brownie. Truffle and Hardhat, they are in JavaScript, and Brownie is implemented in Python. So you use Web3 PY library in Brownie. In Hardhat, you use EtherJS, and in Truffle, you use Web3 PY. uh, like these development frameworks are used for building and testing smart contracts on various blockchain platforms. They are powerful tools, but I prefer Hardhat because it's a better choice over Truffle and Brownie because of several reasons, including like it's modern and extensible. It has a large community to support. EtherJS. I have done a lot of development using EtherJS, and I did not find any problem in the development. It's easy to use. You can find a lot of stuff online. A lot, like a large community is maintaining this library. And also in all my videos, I have used EtherJS because it's simple. It has better testing environment. So I would say that while both Truffle and Hardhat are excellent tools for developing smart contracts, I would prefer Hardhat because of its modern features and better performance compared to Web3 PY. Because when I was doing development, I found a lot of problems using Web3 PY. So that's why I prefer Hardhat. So yeah, that was all about blockchain application development roadmap for 2024. Just find a programming language you like, let's say JavaScript, learn how to code in Solidity, and learn how to use a smart contract development framework. So using all these tools, you will be able to perform blockchain application development. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching the videos. Please share this video to your friends if you like it.